Locations impacted include Lord. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Randolph County, western Chatham County, until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Asheboro, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Siler City, Goldston, Seagrove, Liberty, Ramsar, Franklinville, and Staley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, and Randolph. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for Scotland.